Hey everyone, this V.Z Pro 3 channel. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to display or pin apps to the taskbar in Windows 11. If you want quick access to your favorite apps, like Chrome, Word, File Explorer, or anything else, pinning them to the taskbar is the way to go. It makes multitasking faster and keeps your desktop cleaner. Let's get started. First, you need to find the app you want to display on the taskbar. There are a few different ways to do this. Click the Start menu Windows icon and scroll through the list of installed apps. Or use the search bar at the top of the Start menu to type the name of the app, like Spotify or Chrome, or anything else. Once you've found the app, you're ready to pin it. Right-click on the app name in the Start menu or search result. In the menu that appears, click Pin to Taskbar. That's it. The app will now appear on the taskbar at the bottom of your screen, ready to be launched with a single click. If you want to customize the order, just click and drag any app icon on the taskbar to move it left or right. If you want to remove an app from the taskbar later, just right-click the icon and select Unpin from Taskbar. Super simple and totally flexible. You've just learned how to display apps on the Windows 11 taskbar, whether from the Start menu and Search. Now your most used apps are only one click away, making your desktop experience faster and more organized. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Windows tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.